Greetings folks, welcome to a chat from the engineering desk. Hope you're all doing well today. Today's topic, PetG, and I need to print a little part, and my PetG has to be dried first. And as we know that is an ongoing issue for anybody working with PetG. So I went out yesterday, day before, bought a food dehydrator. Here it is over here. There's the boxy. Just bought it from the local store, which is at your pharmacy and appliance homeware store type combination. It cost me $700 in rands, so I can quickly for you work out what that would be in dollars. So waiting for my app to open on the phone. $700 done. Okay, there you go. So call it about $50 that I paid for this dehydrator. Let me show you what it looks like. Got it over here. Got a power on button on the front over here. It's just a simple click action power button. Lid comes off, and then got the stack of trays, and underneath it got the fan and the heater in the middle. The trays just stack on top of it. Now, as you can see, I've taken two of these trays and I have removed this with some side cutters by just cutting all along the edge over here. They were in like this. This is what the tray looks like. Okay, set that back in there. So two of these came out, put them aside, no longer needed, because you need some room in here for a bobbin. Let's put that over there. Now here's a standard bobbin for my 3D printer onto which I spooled some clear PetG. Now what I've discovered is a happy coincidence is that the bobbin is a perfect fit over the circular part here in the middle. So now what you're going to do, set it in there like that. Take our rings like that. And put the lid on. And there's our PetG, ready to be dried. So you plug this in, hit the button, that button turns green, you can hear the fan running. I've measured this, it runs to about 60 degrees C, it regulates your eye connect to hear the contact clicking in and out while it's going. Power consumption on this is 240 watts while the element is on. And it's got a thermostat, so it cycles the element. It does not have a timer, So you turn it on, and a day later, which I reckon is a good period, take your PetG out and use it. So I'm going to put this to the test. I really like the way this has worked out for me, because it's cost effective. I could possibly even fit 2 bobbins in here at a time if I had to, by modifying some of these trays and stacking them even further. But for now, one is fine. It's not like there's high volumes involved in my case. So that's my suggestion for a let's put this aside. That's my suggestion for a dryer for the 3D printer. PetG, as you know, hygroscopic, and unless you go to a lot of trouble to keep it dry, the other alternative is to just dry it before use, which for me is the most practical solution. So, easy PetG dryer. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll give you some feedback on this in another video perhaps. Up until the next video, when that one comes around, take care, have a great day, keep it classy. Thank you. Cheers.